Welcome back, everybody. Derrick Soo, your 2022 write-in Oakland mayoral candidate. Well, it's been asked that, hey, Derrick, what kind of TV shows do you like since you have television available to you? Well, one of the shows that I'm really loving right now is The Amazing Race. It comes on Wednesday night, right after Survivor, and so it's kind of late. It's 10 o'clock. But what I love about The Amazing Race are all the different countries that they go to, that they send the contestants, and the things that you learn about the different regions, some of the customs, some of the food, and some of the things that they're known for. And so I've been watching this for a number of years, and I've always enjoyed the visits to the different country. I'm catching up on last night's episode. They're in Austria, Innsbruck, and they're traveling through Austria, and so we're learning about Austria, their customs, their what they're known for. So if you're following along, feel free to join in the conversation here. I plan on following up every week with my impressions of Amazing Race, but also I look at and I watch Survivor, and for many of you, early on, I was one of the contestants back in 2017 that was under consideration. And then when they asked me about some of my military training, or some of the training that I received from the United States government, that's what disqualified me, because I was too well trained, and I had specialized training in the outdoor and especially around survival. And so they felt that would give me too much of an advantage on the show. And also I was just recovered from my cancer. My cancer treatment was in 2015. I spent all of 2016 in recovery after that, and then I applied for Survivor, and I made it pretty far. I was in different interviews that took place online, and it was a pretty interesting process. I'm sorry that I didn't get onto Survivor, but rules are rules. And so anyway, those are two shows that I follow every week. I do like some other shows, but not quite as much as those two in particular. One, Amazing Race, where I learn a lot about different countries, especially those that I haven't been to, but I've always had an interest or slight interest in. And then also Survivor, excuse me, and also Survivor, where there's a lot of different types of competition, and then you see how inept a lot of city people are if they don't know what to eat, what to forage for, and how to keep their eyes and wits sharp. So thanks for joining me today. We'll be right back.